Okay, tell me about this uniform. Okay, very good. Now we're going to do the speaking part 2. Okay, look at the picture. We have here Mary and Tony's holiday, and I'm going to tell you, or I'm going to ask different questions about Mary. Are you ready? Okay, where did Mary go on holiday? To the beach. Okay, and how long did she go there for? With her parents. Okay, how did she go there? Okay, very good. And how did she buy there? And what what did she buy there? Okay. Now, you're going to ask me a different question from Tony and I'm going to answer it. Ready? Okay. He went to the mountains. His parents. 1 week. They went for skiing. Okay, they bought a car. Okay. Now we're going to do the speaking part 3. I'm going to introduce you this, the hungry birds. I want to introduce, this is Fred and this is Anna. Okay, tell me more about this picture from picture 1 until to picture 5. A family is spending on the playing. Okay, picture number 3. Okay, and what happened to the food? And picture number 3. The birds are sandwiches. Okay, and picture number 4. Sad. Okay, and what happened to their food? The birds eat all the sandwiches. Okay, very good. And what did they feel while eating? They are They are happy. Okay, and where they are eating right now? Where are they eating? They are eating in the beach or in the cafe or in the restaurant. Again, say it again. They are eating in the beach. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you about your best friend. Can you tell me more about your best friend? Okay. What is your friend name? Okay. And how often do you see your friends? It's just every day, every week, every day. Okay. And what after school? Again, what do you do with your friends after school? You play with them or you go at home? Okay. And where do you go with friends at the weekend? Where? You go to the park or you go to their house? Okay. Now, tell me, and no, what food do you like to eat with your friends? Okay, you like to eat your chicken with your friends. Okay.